Good morning, guys. We are in Nassau, Bahamas at the Atlantis Resort. Today we are all dressed, ready to go. We're going to go explore the downtown area and some historic sites as well. We're going to take you along with us this morning, so let's go. Guys, we are so excited. This week we are on vacation with my brother, sister-in-law, nephew, and niece in the Bahamas. Hey, I'm Pam, and this is my husband, Audie. Together, we are Salty Devotions. We sold almost everything we own, moved from Louisiana to the beautiful blue waters of Florida to eventually live out our dream and buy a sailboat. So come along with us for this adventure. All right, we are about to go walk up this Queen staircase. I believe it's about 66 steps, so let's go. The iconic Queen Staircase, also known as the 66 Steps, built by enslaved Africans in the late 1700s, this historic landmark is a must-see. It provides a stunning view of Fort Fincastle and the surrounding area. As you make your way up, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and perseverance that went into creating this majestic structure. Okay, they gave me a sample of their Bahama Mama. Let's try this. Y'all, this is really good. This is good. All right, we're about to walk through our first fort. It's Fort Monagu, so let's go. Fort Monagu was built in the 18th century, specifically around 1741, as a response to the growing threat of Spanish attacks on the Bahamas. As we explore Fort Monagu, you'll notice the impressive architecture. The fort features a classic star shape, designed to provide better defense against cannon fire. The walls are made from limestone and coral, which were abundant in the area. So one of the stops is Nicole Smiths' house, and supposedly the car that's in the driveway is the car that she drove back when. Let's go check out the winery, my favorite part. Here, cheers. So sweet. That's how you do that.
Cheers. You like coconut, that's good. Good call. Wow.
The chocolate factory was very cool. Definitely a must stop if you're in the Bahamas. We're headed to the humidor, the cigar factory. Let's go. All right, let's go check it out.
It's crazy with the names on it, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, that's Miyagi.
Miyagi. We just toured the cigar factory, I guess they call it, but it was pretty neat. A lot of history in there.
Chocolate moonshine.
Try it.
Cheers. That's not bad at all.
No.
That's too good. You could be in trouble with that.
103 proof?
Yeah.
Oh!
Strong one, man.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. No, it was smooth. No, that's good. That's good. Come on, let's go get into something else. Yeah. All right, our next stop, the distillery. Let's go. Okay, so supposedly this is one of the spots. We're part of the filming for Casino Royale. If you're a James Bond, you'll know. This is one of the filming spots.
Original map's over 300 years old. Crazy.
Look at this well. All right, it's time to get something to eat. Let's go. Everything is delicious. Let's go. Fort Charlotte was constructed in the late 18th century, specifically between 1787 and 1790. It was built by the British to protect Nassau from potential attacks by the Spanish. The fort is named after Queen Charlotte, the wife of King George III. Alright guys, we are at the largest fort here in Nassau. Great visit, something to see if you want to come and check it out. I am so excited. We're about to go into the Rum Cake Factory. Let's go.
They've got a free shot to purchase. You want to take it?
A shot? No, want the shot?
Okay, good afternoon.
Because they're not ready.
Thank you.
Was it good?
Good.
We got rum cake. All right, we had a great day exploring. Now we're headed to the beach to go do some snorkeling. Let's go.
What you doing, snorkeling?
Yeah. Saw a nurse shark.
We saw a baby shark, baby shark,
So we had a great day today. We went exploring, we went to the beach and did some snorkeling, and we are all dressed up and ready to go for dinner. Come along with us. We are at Nobu's for dinner, and we are sitting outside and we have a gorgeous view. Atlantis offers more than 21 restaurants and 19 bars and lounges, providing diverse culinary experiences, including venues run by celebrity chefs like Nobu. As the sun sets, the excitement continues. Experience vibrant nightlife with live music, bars, and shows that will keep you entertained until the early hours. Atlantis truly comes alive at night. Thanks for following along with us today in Nassau, Bahamas. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really does help us out. We appreciate all of y'all, and thank you for coming along with us.